Alright, hello and welcome to another video here. So this is the machine with the basically it's not working video out. So probably take the board out, test the board, change the parts, resolder it in. We'll have a look at it in a minute, see what's going on with it. But let's say for pig iron that this board here was broken in this machine. How easy is it to get the board out of here? Well, it's not that hard. So we're going to take this board out and we're going to replace it with a board that is working. I'm not going to do any messing about this board. This board here is just going to be sent off to the recycle centre. There's no real point in keeping it. So what we do is we show you how easy it is to take it out. So you have to take out this screw here. Thing's flopping in the wind here. Look. Whoa. Whoa. This one here on the SCART cable. These are all the same type of screws, so don't worry about it. Them out of the way there. And this one here. Diddly diddly diddly. This one here. La 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 la. This one here. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now, that should be all nice and loose inside. Now on the board itself, we got a screw here that has to come out. Okay, and then if you go up the very top, you'll see there's a screw down here has to come out. So that one is coming out. Out you go. Thank you very much. Yep, and just slide it out towards the front. And the SCART socket. These two little clips here, these need to come up. They're a bit tricky. I think I've done this with this before. Bent them up here. Okay. So bring it out forward. There's clips there that are. So you bring the board this way, and you want to lift the board up, and you're going to bring it out that way, because these clips here are stopping it from going this way. So it's literally pull it backwards, gently, lift these two up, and then pull the board out that direction while lifting it up in the air, and that gets the board out. This is our faulty board. So have a look at that. Yeah, the whole thing's sheared off. Look. Yeah, that was like that. Yeah, these might be worth salvaging at some stage, but I think we'll just that's all wet and damaged, you know. Wow. Nasty. Ooh, nasty. So let's get rid of this one. We recycle. Bye bye. Now, and here's one we fixed earlier. So this one's working fine. This board is actually tickety boo and everything's okay. Not missing something there, are we? Let's just have a quick look. No. Let me see, is there any revisions on these? Exact same motherboard, yeah? CP10, yep, no hidden messages. I actually have a board from one of the machines and it says, won't get fooled again. I must show that on here one of the days. I'll have to go dig it out though. Okay, so get the board back in again. So, bring it down. So you're going to bring it in the back clips first. So into these, okay. There's a cable there, you want to make sure it's out of the ground cable, it's just out of the way. So then you can drop it down. So then bring it forward. Should be easy enough to do. There we go. Then we brought it in. You must have put that screw in. It's this screw here, to put that in when it has to out of the way. There's no point in doing it later. Ow! That's how you make a big hole in your motherboard. So let's screw that one down. This one down here we'll do with this beauty. He's a bit out of skew. He's a bit skew with, man. Right, so that's that one. Keep it this way. keep it that direction because you want to keep as many cables out of the way here as possible. Just keep it out of the way. So that there belongs to this cable here, which is for the front panel. So put that in there. Right. Now, the SCART we put back in. The SCART socket is a European thing, you know. And push them back down again. Should clamp it in position for us. Yeah, that worked, yeah. Let's give it a good shove. Should clamp it, yeah. It's good enough. Turn around to the back. SCART, or the AV Euro socket as some people call it. A Pritel or Pritel, I think. It's a French invention, I think. So there's a screw in here. It was actually capable of outputting 5.1 sound as well. Some of these ports would output like 5 channels plus 1 for the subwoofer. Yeah, I've never seen it in anything. I've never even seen a SCART socket on the back of an amplifier, even though I know they're there. Personally, I've never seen them. But they are there. Some amplifiers have a SCART socket on the back of them. It's probably for the data transfer. I have to say, I think they're a great little invention. Them and HDMI are the two greatest things ever. Because I remember having the VCR and you know what I mean, you're trying to tune in the channel and all that, and the picture would be a bit sketchy or wavy lines, you know, the usual rubbish, you know. But using the SCART, yeah, made a big difference. So I'd always recommend SCART socket. Okay, so that's the board in. See, it's the same machine. I cut the cable off that was dodgy. But there, that's how easy it is to put the motherboard back in. So it's probably safer in here than it is knocking about the workshop. So it means that it's safe. But that's it. That's now a motherboard replaced inside this machine. So that's the first part we had to replace. The video thingamajig RCA here socket. I don't have one. This one's working, so let's use it. Why not? There could be something else wrong with that board as well. I've had it where the power supply I've actually tried to repair on one of them on previous video. It was working fine as you saw in the video, and now it's not working anymore. So there you go. That's my luck with these things, you know. So it doesn't really matter. It's not the end of the world. But I now know that this board is working. And the front panel is also a bit sketchy on this one. It's a very dark. The screw's missing here, as you can see. I did actually take it off and try to clean it. It's still very dark. The characters aren't dull. Some of the characters go dull is because there's not enough power going through capacitors, all this sort of crack, you know. Not that I know much about that in that sense, but you know, it can be stuff like that, or it could be just dull. So I took it all out and I cleaned it. Now, bear with me 1 second. I have one right here. I do. This is what the front panel looks like. So this is one from another machine. So this board here, that's there. That's in there. See, that good enough. The piece missing here is the switches. I'll show you that in a second. So that's there. So that's what the little fella looks like. It's actually like quite. I didn't want to throw it out. It's actually quite like it. I don't know why. It's probably not going to be much use to me for anything. But there you are. So that's your infrared receiver there. This is your on-off switch on the machine there. So it's nice, isn't it? I like that. Good, isn't it? So I kept that. The switch selection. So this would be in there. Okay. So it's connected up with just a little clip you can pop off. That's what that looks like underneath. So the switch in the front, that's them. Good, isn't it? LD open, CD open. Choosing the menus and the little toggle switches. Good, isn't it? So that's what's in there. That's what these are. Alright, save scene. Now you know what they are. Mystery solved. So what else is there? So yeah, we just use this machine as a part machine like the other one. I'm not going to throw this one out just yet, because I'm waiting for the another machine to arrive me that's basically in bits. It's a bag of parts, so I don't know what it's going to be like. So I'm going to see if I can, you know, use a few parts off this or whatever. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have a few ideas anyway, but man, so you have to wait for that video, because that's it for this video. And a nice little short one, 10 minutes. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again the next time on my channel. So like, subscribe, and come back again soon. Thank you very much for watching the video. Bye bye.